It's 6:25 a.m. in Japan, and that's my healthy breakfast for today. Have strawberry, blueberries, limono, pumpkin, lentils, kailangan yan, beans, may bacon and cheese, slice bread, rikake and sake, green tea, of course, nandiyan, and coffee. Have a nice day! Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Pinay Wife Life in Japan, for more healthy tips. And please don't forget your exercise. Kahit 10 minutes lang. Ako bago umalis kasi 10 minutes nag-exercise. Plus, walking ako parate. Bye! Stay healthy! Kailangan bilis ang lakad. Hindi pwede mabagal. Mabagal-bagal. Na parang may mabigat. Kailangan gusto ko maliksi. Mag-walking na kayo. Ako mamaya papasok. Pauwi. Plus, grocery ko. Lagi ako walking. Challenge. Walking challenge. Bye!